is about we mix it up a notch. Finally, we're gonna draw one of my new favorites. So let's grab a Cubit and grab a pen and let's get sketching. Yeah, Cubit! Tonight we're gonna draw the fusion of volectro and shuff. And we're gonna do it on this one piece. Alexa, play Sonic Colors Ultimate.
Sonic Colors Ultimate Original Soundtrack Recolors by VA on Amazon Music.
Done. And done. That's how you draw the fusion of volectro and shuff. What, you think this is the only one? There are thousands of mixes out there. And this whole year, we're gonna draw every last one of them. That's all for now. Stegosaurus, see you later. Good night.